Hey beautiful, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'll be giving you a tutorial on this Valentine's Day look. And I'm using my Colourpop Element of Surprise eyeshadow palette. Now I love creating this look and I gave it a more of an anti-Valentine's Day feel. So if you want to see how I created this look, go ahead and pop out your palette, stay tuned, and keep on watching. Going to get started, I'm going into some Dermablend loose setting powder. I'm going to use this underneath my eyes to catch any fallout. All my ladies independent, throw your hands up at me. Hey, 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 hey girl, hey. Hey, 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 hey girl, hey. Valentine's Day is whatever to me, you know. I'm always single, so it's either anti-Valentine's or Galentine's. I think we're gonna make this look a little anti-Valentine's, more smoky, more drop. So to go ahead and get started, I'm going into my Colourpop Element of Surprise eyeshadow palette in here. And I'm going to pick up the shade Sea Stars. Because not only do I use that shade for everything, but it's just so good. I'm actually going to take this all the way underneath my brow. Now from here, I'm going to go ahead and pick up that shade Go With The Flow in the palette. Go With The Flow. And place this down exactly where I put that Sea Stars. Now this shade is a bit more pink, so it's gonna start opening up my eye. It's Valentine's Day. We all want to look our prettiest, feel most beautiful, but it doesn't matter if you don't have anyone to look good for. Look good for yourself. And this anti-Valentine's Day, we don't need anybody to look good. We can look good all by ourselves. Now I'm going to take the shade Subdue, which is that nice hot pink. I'm going to take this and blend this into my upper crease. Where's that brush? Now to go ahead and get this party a little turned up a little bit, taking my Colourpop E2. And I'm going to pick up that shade Peace of Mind right here. I'm going to place this into my crease, deepening and darkening that. And I'm also going to take a little bit of this and place it on my outer corner as well as my inner corner. And I'm just picking up a little bit more of that Subdue and blending this out. Taking that previous brush with Go With The Flow, and I'm going to just top this off and blend it out. From here, picking up my Real Techniques purple brush, and I'm going to go into the shade Late Night, which is this nice plum shade right here. I'm going to take this and start deepening up my crease. Picking up that same Colourpop, that same Colourpop E2 brush and blending all of this together. So I'm gonna go into the L'Oreal Paris Infallible 24-hour eyeshadow. And this is in the shade 556 Smoldering Plum. So I'm actually going to take some of this and put it in my lid. Using this and just going ahead to deepen and darken that crease even more. This is anti-Valentine's Day, right? It gotta be dark. But when I want to blend it out, I take that vertically and I just go blend, 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 blend. Blend, 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 blend. Now for my lower lash line, I'm going to pick up that same hot pink shade and just going to blend this out all the way. Blend, 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 blend. I'm picking up some more of that Late Night shade I'm going to blend this out also from my inner corner, from my outer corner all the way to my inner corner. Now taking an even tighter brush, picking up some more of that L'Oreal Smoldering Plum. I'm going to place this on my outer corner as tight as I can. And also go ahead and connect this with my upper lash line. I'm also taking this onto my inner corner. Now I'm going to pick up the shade Feels right here. Actually using my finger. I'm going to go ahead and blend this all over my lid. As you saw, I did leave an open space. So I'm going to start there and then just blend this out all the way from my inner corner all the way to my outer corner. I'm going to take that purple brush and blend out these edges. Now picking up just a little bit more of that L'Oreal and going right over that crease. Now I'm going to pick up the shade Opulent, this one right here, and I am going to give this a nice spray using that Rose Water Garnier spray, and I'm going to place this right in the center. Now picking up that purple brush again, blending out these edges. Now I'm just picking up some of that L'Oreal Smoldering Plum. I'm going to place this on my outer V and connect it into my crease just to add that added definition. Ooh. I'm not going to take this from all the way to my inner corner. Picking up a tighter brush and also some more of that Smoldering Plum, and I'm going to blend this out on my lower lash line, on my outer corner and then my inner corner. Now I'm going to take a little bit of my glitter glue from NYX. I'm going to place this on my lower lash line, right in the center in that open space. Then I'm going to go ahead and pick up that Opulent shade and go ahead and set this right on top.
Alrighty, so the camera and microphone actually stopped recording, no biggie. Off camera, I applied some lashes and liner with no wing, as well as some lip liner. Then for blush, I'm using my number 7 blush. This is in the shade Berry Crush, very Valentine's Day, very pink. And I'm topping my lips off with some of my Bite Beauty Rose Petal Lip Gloss. Then for highlighter today, I'm going to my Physicians Formula Butter Highlighter. This is in the shade Rose Gold, and I'm going to top my face and give my face just a little bit more glow. Once you have your highlighter on, that is your complete anti-Valentine's Day look. If you enjoyed this look, go ahead and give this video a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and follow my social media. And remember that you're beautiful no matter what anyone says or does. Bye beautiful and happy Valentine's Day.